staying with us at STL Live. I'm Staci Static, and my guests today are Sonny Miller, along with April Floyd, with the Unique Experience Tour. So we were talking earlier about the book, about the tour, about the show, and it's going to be a unique experience because you told me it's a movie short, it's a fashion show, it's kind of like a play with dialogue and monologues and everything in it. So what inspired you to do it this big for this particular event?
Well, like I said, everything started with the novel. I received so many emails and calls and even people that visited from other states to come see me because they were so inspired by the novel.
Right.
And so in that, turning into film, of course, was my husband's passion.
Right.
And we began Floyd Entertainment Group, and we went on with the film. But the inspiration really is from the movement of people's hearts and wanting to help and do what they need to do to help and change lives as well.
So are you really inspiring to people who have disabilities, that have these dreams of wanting to do things that they feel like they might not have been able to do without seeing themselves in a book and a character?
Yes. I wanted to inspire everyone, no matter what your challenges are. And a lot of times people think that your challenges has to be like a physical disability, but a lot of times our challenge is the mental disability. Sometimes our challenge is drug addiction.
Right.
Sometimes our challenge is family shame. And so in the novel, it talks about all of those challenges, and that's why you have so many different characters in there with different situations and dramatic things going on in the story, because a challenge is a challenge. Overweight could be your challenge. And so we want to support everyone that has a challenge to be their best them. And that's what Unique is about. That's what the movement's about, and that's what the film is about.
Okay. And so the event, you have a cast, basically. Sonny, tell me about the cast of the event.
Yes, well, I am Sonny Miller, and I actually played the role of Brenda to the betrayer to Victoria, who's played by Christina Kelly.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, that's basically like sabotageal, type in the film.
All right, so you're the sister,
No, not the sister.
Not the sister.
The betrayer.
Oh, the betrayer.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. It's so many characters. I need to read the book. So tell me about the cast. It's so many people. You said it was a lot of people involved.
We have a cast we call ourselves the I Am Unique crew.
Okay.
And we have a cast of 134.
Wow.
And the movie, because the characters have flipped back and forth in time, you might have two Victorias, two Uniques, because there's one young and there's one older. So the cast is triple and double because of the story going fast forwarding back and forth. So that's why we have such a large cast, and we have a wonderful cast, and they did a wonderful job on the film.
So they're in the film, and they're also in the stage adaptation at the Unique Experience on April 4th at the Central Library.
Yes.
So what time does all of this happen?
Okay, we have a meet and greet from 12 to 3 that's open to the public.
Okay.
And then we have the extravaganza, the Unique Experience Tour, that starts from 4 to 8. Now, that you have to register to come see at stlouispubliclibrary.org.
Okay.
And once you register, there's a limited space for the elite people. So the first time people get a chance to see this wonderful, wonderful show.
And you're going to go on tour with this. You're going on a several city tour. How
Yes.
many cities are we doing?
7 cities.
Okay, seven cities. And where can they get more information about that?
You can go to aprilfloydbooks.com, and also...
Yes, and I'm also the PR and media person
Okay.
for Floyd Entertainment Group. And you can actually go to Facebook.com at I Am Unique Movie, which is the FEG I Am Unique Movie. And you can go to Twitter.com at FEG Unique Movie. And also you can do LinkedIn, April Floyd, FEG I Am Unique Movie, and Instagram, FEG I Am Unique Movie.
Okay, they have covered all the bases with all the social media. This sounds like an amazing event. It sounds like an extravagant event with 130 people. Woo, I don't know how y'all keeping all of that together. Thank you so much for coming and speak to me about this. And make sure you pick up the book, Unique. This is important. Please visit aprilfloydbooks.com to learn more about the Unique Experience Tour, the movie premiere, and updates with the author. You make sure there's more, so stay around on STL Live after this. Stay with us.